I want to talk to you about some of the things you want to look for when you're surf fishing. And one of those things is bird life. As you can see back behind me, right up in the surf are pelicans feeding on bait fish. In this case, it's anchovy. It could be any number of different species of fish. Grunion will sometimes get up on the beach. Anchovies will get up on the beach. But the key here is that those pelicans and other types of seabirds are feeding on bait. And if you find the bait, you will find the fish. I guarantee you that somewhere in that big flock of pelicans down below are some predators that are also trying to feed on those bait fish. So when you first come down to the beach, let's say you have an area that you want to fish, scan the entire beach. Look in both directions. Look out to sea and see if there's any bird life at all. If there is, you'll want to get over there and get over there in a hurry. And you'll want to match the hatch. This is the perfect time to be throwing a Lucky Craft lure or something like that. A chrome crocodile lure works really, really well in these kinds of circumstances. Cast masters work really, really well. The key, however, is to be mobile. So if you're fishing a certain spot, you're not catching anything, and you see birds 100 yards down the beach, 200 yards down the beach, you're going to want to move down there and start casting on that area. There is going to be fish there. These birds are just a beacon. They're a big advertisement. They're telling you, come over here. There's fish here. And if you get over there, you're likely to catch some yellowfin croaker, some halibut here in Southern California. There could be perch on this bait. There could be any number of species here in the Southern California coast. So just one thing that is really important for you to keep your eyes open for are birds that are actively feeding. And when they're this close, as these pelicans are to the beach, that fish, that yellowfin croaker, that halibut, whatever species it is pushing that bait up toward the beach and making some casts on it will surely pay off for you in the surf. Another thing, if you see a bird school way off in the distance, you're going to want to make a mental note and keep your eyes on that, because that bird school, while it may start out offshore, will at some point push into the beach. So keep looking at it, keep fishing, and then if you see that bird school come into the beach, you know there's predators right along with it. Just one thing to look for wherever you're surf fishing in this big, beautiful world, and that is bird life. Birds are going to point the way to some successful fishing in the surf. And guess what I'm going to do right now? I'm going to start casting a lure on those birds right near them and hopefully come up with something. All right, pay attention. The angler that pays attention, that is aware of his surroundings, will catch more fish.